Hey everybody, this is PJ Riley from Lancaster Archery, month of October, and we've got for you our monthly video on special deals and new arrivals. So we'll start over here with our special deals for the month, and we're going to go with the Ozonics HR300. We've got this at 20% off this month only. The HR300 is basically an improvement for Ozonics over their previous model. 45% more ozone output. Obviously, the power of ozone is known to bow hunters. It's designed to produce ozone that kills your human odor before it gets to deer, bear, whatever you're hunting. So this one produces 45% more than the previous model did. It's got a quieter fan. It's got a quieter mounting system. Just some overall improvements to the Ozonics unit. Moving up, we have the Shore-Lock Supreme 400 target sight. Excellent target sight from Shore-Lock. You can see here we have the 9-inch version. There's another one with just a 6-inch bar, whichever you prefer. And I'll go over just a couple of the features that I really like about this sight. First of all, it's got titanium rods in here for your windage and elevation, so you know it's not going to break. It's got the Shore-Lock's no-lock adjustment system. So this works on clicks for your windage and elevation. Each click moves the sight 0.02 of an inch. So it's really, you can really get fine-tuned with this sight. And as I said, no lock adjustment. So when you make your clicks and get your sight set, you don't have to go back and tighten it down. It will not move. Once it's locked in, it stays there. And some cool things that I like about it as well. If you can see here, this little tab, this is for your third axis. And there is another one. There's another one on the bottom for your second axis adjustment. So this is a cam. It's a cam-assisted adjustment system. So I would just, if I were adjusting my third axis, I would just loosen this screw here, and then I can move this cam forward and back to get my adjustment right. That's just nice. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of moving this around. So something else I like about the Supreme 400 is right here you've got a thumb screw that you can take out, and you can just remove your scope block. This is the block where you would mount your scope into. So if you have multiple scopes, you've got one for indoor, you've got one for outdoor, 3D, whatever, all you need to get is this block, and you can keep the same sight, and so each scope would have its own block. When you want to switch them out, just plug that back in, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. You can have one sight for multiple scopes. Next up, we have the Victory VAP V1 target shaft. This is a great small diameter, 0.166 diameter target shaft, going to be great for outdoor shooting, and we have these for 46% off this month. This is a premier target shaft from Victory. So the V1 in the name indicates that this is the top of the line for Victory. The shafts have a 1,000th inch straightness tolerance. So basically each one of these shafts is going to be perfectly matched to each other. This is an excellent shaft. We have them in 500, 900, 1,000, 1,100, and 1,200 spines. That's basically going to cover pretty much all of you Olympic recurve archers out there, as well as compound target shooters who are shooting lighter poundage bows. But this is great outdoor target shaft from Victory, the VAP V1, 46% off. Moving over to some new products. We're going to start here with the Bowmar Draw Stop. Those have been around for a while, and what they do is come out with new stops for different bows. And this month they've come out with ones for the Bowtech binary cam bows. You're talking about the Rain 6 and 7, the RPM 360, BTX, Insanity, those binary cam bows from Bowtech. What the Bowmar stops do is all those bows, when you come to full draw, there's a peg that contacts a cable, and that's how you know you're at full draw. Well, that can sometimes feel a little bit squishy, as you can imagine. The cable can give, so the back wall isn't quite as solid as, say, a limb stop. The Bomar draw stop with that flat surface basically comes to a complete stop at full draw. So those of you who like to use back tension for your thumb button release or your hinge releases, you like a real solid back wall to get your back tension working so you can activate your release. This will imitate that. Also, it can tell you when your cams are out of sync. You'll know if one cam is rotating faster than the other. You can feel it real easy with these draw stops. So that's the Bomar draw stop for the Bowtech binary cam bows. Next up, we have the Sitchcraft 3D Flip Scoreboard. This is a great little device for keeping score on the target range. It's a weatherproof, UV resistant scorecard that can be used indoors or outdoors. We are actually going to be using these cards for the 2018 LAS Classic. We're going to have one at each of our target butts so that the archers can post their scores, and then people watching from home or sitting in the audience, they'll be able to follow along with the scores. And it's a real handy, simple device. It's just got flip pieces here. So let's say I want to post a 4. That's all I got to do. Turn that 8 into a 0. You can make any of the numbers from 0 to 9, obviously. And just a cool scorecard that you can use at home or at your range, wherever. That's what we have for the month of October. If you want to see some more deals and some more new products, you can visit our website at LancasterArchery.com. Give us a thumbs up at the bottom of this video if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more videos from month to month, products, features that we do at Lancaster Archery. If you got any questions, you can call one of our techsperts, and as always, you can visit us at LancasterArchery.com.